Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taryn at Dream Along with Taryn on Instagram and here on YouTube. I also have a blog, dreamalongwithtaryn.com, that you can head on over and read some of my really cool reviews on some restaurants, theme parks, and more. Today we are going to be doing a really fun unboxing with a company that I am really excited to be working with. So let's get on into it. Unboxing is with a company called Walt Life Boxes, and they are a monthly subscription service that ranges in the price from around $30 to around $85-$90. They have boxes for literally everything: pins, food, accessories. They do sell some other things on their website as well, but we got a Walt Life box, my very first, and I'm super excited to open it. Just like all the other kind of subscription boxes that I've received, they always have this nice plastic film around it, so we're gonna cut that off with these handy dandy scissors. Let's see what's inside. Just the outside of the box, let's talk about that. So it says Walt Life, which is super cute. It says dreams do come true, and it has the castle. Experience the Walt Life at waltlife.com. And then as you open it, it says bring on the adventures, which is super, super cute. I love that. Oh my goodness. When you open it up, it looks like this. So it literally has pictures of like a bunch of people that have opened up the subscription boxes. That is so unique and so cool. Welcome to the Walt Life family. You've joined an exclusive Disney fan club that is here to send you all of the Disney fun that you'll ever need. We are so excited to curate special boxes every month filled with officially licensed Disney and Disney Parks goodies that are specially chosen with you in mind. And we're excited to create your happily ever after. So this one was created by Sarah, so thank you, Sarah. Let's start off with some goodies. So the very first item that we have are some Mickey jelly beans. So just like a cute little serving size, which is perfect because if you know me right now, I'm on like a fitness health kick, so just like a little bit of a sweet tooth is nice, and this is the perfect size, and who doesn't want Mickey candy? Come on now. What is this? So this is, oh my goodness, this is a makeup removing cloth. And it's themed after like Disney princesses. So I actually have one of these and it works really, really well. Basically you just get it wet and then it can wipe off all of your makeup at the end of the day. And we all know that I like to put makeup on. So this is literally perfect. I will be using this almost every single night. So thank you, thank you. Oh, they sent scrunchies. I have long hair, so when it gets hot in Florida, we like to put some scrunchies in. So this one is Mickey Mouse themed, and it has little like Mickeys on it. And then we have just a nice plain velvet one. And then this one is like his signature little like checkered. These are perfect just to wear like as an accessory to the parks. Like I like to just do this with an outfit. And then of course you can use it if you want to put your hair up. And I like it because they don't really make a lot of bumps in my hair, especially when it gets really hot in the summer heat of Florida. It's nice to put a scrunchie in and not have to worry about like having a big dent in your hair when you take out your ponytail. So that's amazing. Oh my goodness. This is an umbrella. Oh wow, look at this. This is an umbrella and it's all super like rainbow colors. And it has Mickey, and this is like the little sleeve that it stays in. Fun fact, my umbrellas have all broken. Like, I don't know, I'm just like the umbrella killer. I don't know what happens, but like every umbrella, maybe it's just the Florida weather, but every time I have an umbrella, it like flips inside out with the crazy wind and everything here. And I actually never have like, I've never had a Disney themed umbrella to wear to the park. So this is amazing. And summertime, we all know it's going to be raining like every single day. So that's amazing. I'm so excited for an umbrella. I never thought I'd be so excited for an umbrella. We have a keychain. So this is a 2020 keychain. I actually don't have anything for 2020 either. And honestly, this is the year to remember because it's literally been crazy. So this is awesome. I love this. I'm gonna put it right on my keys. I hopefully we'll be getting a new car soon, so this will be like the first thing I put on there. I love when boxes have this stuff. It's just so exciting. Oh, this is so cool. This is like a Funko Pop, but it's like a makeup kit. And it's an Ursula highlight palette. So it comes with 4 colors. We have Vixen, Tough Choices, Unfortunate Souls, and Body Language. So I'm gonna open this because why not? Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a Funko Pop, but it's Ursula, and we're gonna open her up, and she has a mirror on one side, and she has these 4 like highlight colors, which will be really fun to use. I'll have to make another IGTV video for Instagram or something so I can show you guys what these colors look like, but that's awesome. I'm so excited. And this is like a decently big size mirror to be able to like put in my backpack and go to the parks with. That's pretty cool. That is awesome. I've never even seen that before. This is the Evil Queen. I've never seen these. Evil Queen High Shine Lip Gloss. We all know that Taryn loves her red lips. So this is definitely worth trying. I'm really excited for this. I'm not gonna open it up, but this one is the Evil Queen, and it's got the lip gloss. Wow. I literally have never seen these products. This is so cool. Normally I like go to the parks and you see the products and you see the Disney stuff all the time. And even when you walk through like my local Target has like an entire Disney section, and just at this point, I'm so used to it that I don't even like look through any of that stuff anymore. But this is amazing. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Wow, I am literally going to use all of it. It's like they knew me so well. I'm like, of course, a hair and makeup girl. And that umbrella is the cutest thing I have ever seen. So I absolutely love rainbows. I love all of that stuff. Whew, that was awesome. That was so cool. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. That was so nice of you all. But they also had a couple things at the bottom. So this is almost like you can use it as like a bookmark. And it says the Walt Life Exclusive Fan Club. And then they also have this in here, which says, surprise, we're going to surprise 3 different nurses and doctors who are working the front line fighting against COVID-19 with a magical Walt Life box. Nominate someone on the back of this card and post to our social. So we can nominate someone on here, and then we can post it to our social and see if they get chosen, which will be really cool. I hope you guys loved watching that unboxing. That was really fun. I'm like starting to get addicted to these unboxing videos, so I need to stop while I'm ahead. But honestly, it's been so nice to have a little bit of Disney magic come into my home, because honestly, like clearly I miss it so much, and it's just so weird living so close to the parks and not being able to go. So this has been really nice to have like these little subscription boxes and like here and there getting little Disney treats. It's just been really nice because we haven't gone over to Disney Springs or anything like that yet, just because we're still kind of waiting it out. So this is really awesome, and it's nice, it's super affordable, and you get a lot of products, so that's nice. And of course, I can save you a little bit more. So I have the code DreamAlongWithTaryn10, and I will put it right here for you guys. You can use it at their website, and it will save you $10 on your next order, which is amazing. I will put all of their links down in the description below so that you can have everything down there. So it'll be a nice one-stop shop click for you guys. And of course, if you'd like to see more from me, then click that subscribe button. And of course, give me a thumbs up, write some comments down below of what your favorite products were or what you're super excited for when the parks actually do open. And hit that bell wherever it may be, just so that you can know whenever I put out another video on this channel. I had a blast showing you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys come back again for the next one. I'll see you real soon. Bye guys.